Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with Enclose, and today we're going to take our printer wall mount, and we're going to go ahead and mount them together. So we've already taken our two pieces on the printer wall mount, assembled those and secured them against the wall. Now we're going to take our plate, the printer, and secure it. So what we recommend you do is you take your adhesive and you put it on the plate like this, you peel them, and then you notice the tongue and grooves will align and you push your printer in, or printer plate. Now open up your printer. Take your printer and make sure that it's not too far back. Keep your top open, and then go ahead and put this down on your plate. At this point, you're going to be able to go ahead and manage your cables, run them through. You can close this, take it off, take your cables and feed them through, pull out any slack, and on the bottom, you can take your surge protector or the brick that comes with the power block, and you can go ahead and secure it right here. Then all the cables are managed there, and now you're fully ADA compliant, as well as you can print badges with your Citizen CL E300.